Just want to make this video of what happened last night when I was working on this vehicle. The problem, it wasn't the vehicle, it was my lift. My fucking lift. The car was all the way up there, and I was working underneath the vehicle, and then I went up, and then I released my safety latches, and the cable, it came out completely when I was having the vehicle up there. This cable right here. That's how you release your lift. When you're locked, you have to go up, and then you release the lock, and then it open, and then you can go down, right? So this cable right here, the clamp that holds the cable, see it? Somehow, some reason, it came off. So now I got the car up there, stuck up there, and I cannot go down. Only one pole go down, the other one doesn't want to go down because it's locked. I'm not releasing it because the cable broke on me. So what I did, in a lock position, both poles, I put my hand through, and I felt the lock system, right? But of course, I got a friend of mine here, and he helped me. So what I did, I grabbed this long pry bar, I shoveled this fucking pry bar to the pole, and I was holding it with my hand until that I release the safety lock. And believe me, I was kind of a little scared because my hands, they weren't here inside, and I need to get this car down. And in order to fix that cable, you have to have the lift in this position, like 2 feet and a half, that you can pop this cover, and I can see the problem that it was this crimping aluminum, broke, so the cable was loose completely, was off the lock. Kind of spooky and scary, let me tell you. Never happened to me before. I do maintenance on my lift, I check everything on it. I'm gonna go up a little bit, then when you go up, you unlock, right? Let me grab my beer. See, you're unlocking. So because the cable broke, I cannot unlock the lift. I cannot go down at all. And like I say, you know, I'm lucky that I had my friend with me yesterday, and see, now it's going down completely, no problem. It's gonna go up again. So yep, that's what happened. I do maintenance on my lift all the time. I check, make sure that all the weldings are good, make sure that this is locking on place. I bolt down my studs on the bottom. I check the fluids. I check my lift all the time. This never happened to me. This lift is a year old right now. It works great, but I never had that problem before. So I don't know how that happened, that this broke. I just crimp it back again on place. It was kind of scary situation because I got the car stuck up there, and the only way that I can release the pole, the lift, it was just going up a little bit, and with the pry bar that I put from the top into that I hit, the safety lock. That was the only way that I was available. They released the pole at the same time that the car was going down. I was stepping in here. My friend, he was hitting the trigger to go down. It wasn't fun. It was like, what the fuck I'm gonna do now? I got a car stuck all the way up there. Yeah, it wasn't fun. But hey, I got it done. Just a quick video. I never popped these covers before. I never inspect these cables. Hey, learning experience. But I got it done. Now the lift is working fine. It's going up and down like it's not tomorrow, no problem. Just a quick video. Yep. Be safe, people, and it don't matter if you do maintenance or not. Shit happen. You never know. Be safe.